Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video, we are going to discuss upon an important term which is pump power. Guys, in this video, we are going to learn the calculation of pump using Excel. Means using Excel, how can we calculate the pump power? Okay guys? So guys, to calculate the pump power, we have to use this following equation, which is flow rate into total head into density into gravitational constant upon pump efficiency. So guys, before getting into the calculation part, let's firstly understand in brief about the following terms. The first term is flow rate. Guys, the flow rate is the volume of the fluid that the pump moves per unit time, and it is usually measured in cubic meter per second. Okay guys? Then guys, the next term is total head. So guys, the total head is the height of the pump at which the fluid is to be raised, and it is measured in meters. And this includes the static head and the frictional head, okay? Where the static head is the vertical distance of the fluid which is to be lifted, and the frictional head is the losses due to the friction in the pipe or fitting. Okay guys, clear? Then the third term is density of fluid. Guys, the density of fluid is the mass per unit volume of the fluid which is being pumped. Okay? And typically it is measured in kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? Clear? Then guys, the fourth term is gravitational constant, which is very well known to you. And the value of gravitational constant is to be taken as 9.81 meter per second square. Okay? And guys, the last term is the pump efficiency, which is the ratio of the useful work performed by the pump to the work supplied to the pump. And guys, as you all know that efficiency is a unitless value which ranges between 0 to 1 and often expressed as in a form of percentage. Okay guys, clear? So guys, I hope this equation of calculation of pump power is clear to you, which is the pump power which we will get in kilowatt is flow rate into total head into density of fluid into gravitational constant divided by pump efficiency. Okay guys, we should make sure that the following units which are mentioned in this equation are the same during the calculation, where the flow rate should be in meter cube per second, the total head should be in meter, density of fluid should be there in kg per meter cube, and gravitational constant should be there in meter per second square. And efficiency is unitless, you all know that. Okay, so guys, now let's get started with the pump calculation, and here we will consider an example for better understanding of the calculation. Okay, so guys, to start the calculation, the first term is pump capacity, which is the flow rate of the pump, and we will here assume it to be around 65, and the unit will be meter cube per second. Guys, I think that 65 meter cube per second will be a very big flow rate, so let us assume it to be 0.02 meter per second. Okay, great. Then the second term is liquid density. Here I think that we will take water into consideration, so the density will be 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, here we will assume the pump efficiency to be 70%, so we will consider it to be 0.70, which is the pump efficiency. Okay, then we will keep this term aside for a second. Now we are moving towards the required head, where we will assume it to be 20 meters. Let's take it 30 meters. Okay guys, so now to calculate the hydraulic power, we will use the equation which is hydraulic power is equals to flow rate into total head into density and into 9.81, right? This is hydraulic power, and which is in watts. Okay, talking about on calculation of shaft power, which we will divide this hydraulic power by its efficiency, and we will get it to be 8408 watts. Okay guys, if we convert this into kilowatt, we will divide it by 1000 and we got it to be 8.04 kilowatt, right? Okay guys, so guys, after the calculation of shaft power, the major term which comes here into place is power margin factor. So guys, from this chart we should take the value of power factor, and as we all know that the shaft power is 8.40, so which it lies between this 5 to 50, and so we should take the coefficient of power factor between 1.2 to 1.15. Okay guys, so here we will consider it to be 1.2, right? And finally, for the calculation of pump power, we will multiply the shaft power to the power margin factor, and we get the kilowatt as 10.09 kilowatts. So guys, the power which is required for transferring the fluid of 0.02 meter cube per second, which is having a density of 1000, which is water, to a height of 30 meter, we should require a pump with power of 10.09 kilowatt. And guys, to understand these terms in a more better way, let's convert this pump power into HP, and for conversion of it, we will divide the pump power with 0.746, and here we go. So the pump power will be 13.52 HP. So guys, from this calculation it is clear that if you want to transfer the water which is flowing at a flow rate of 0.02 meter cube per second, and it is to be transferred at a 30 meter height, and the pump efficiency is 0.7, which is 70% efficiency, we are going to require a pump of power 13.52 HP. Okay guys, so that was a simple calculation of pump power. And guys, you might be thinking that why are we calculating this simple calculation in Excel, right? So guys, in this Excel, if we change these terms, then we can directly get the new pump power which is required. So the calculation of different pumps power will be easy using this Excel. Okay guys, so guys, I hope this calculation of pump power is clear to you. Guys, you might be thinking, then where is this pump power used? Means in which calculations is this pump power used? So guys, the pump power is utilized in a variety of applications across different industries and different sectors. Okay, and some of the common areas where this type of calculation is used is in water supply and distribution pipes, then in wastewater and sewage treatment plants, then in industrial process plants, and just like that in HVAC systems and fire protection systems and many more. So guys, this pump power calculation is very important if you are working professional or if you are pursuing chemical engineering. Okay, so guys, I hope this understanding of pump power is clear to you, and if there arises any question in your mind, do let me know in the comment section, right? Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and guys, for more video related to chemical engineering, process engineering, chemical safety, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in next video.